Shalom. First and foremost, I want to give all praises unto Yahweh, Bahasham, Yahweh Shai, Wahara Klak Wadash. Alright, that's all praise to the Heavenly Father, who the world ignorantly calls God, and his only begotten Son, who the world ignorantly calls Jesus Christ. I want to give double honors to the elders and the apostles of Great Millstone, and peace, blessing, and mercy to the brethren out here pushing his word in sincerity and truth, the Habayat Dawadah, the house of David, the elect, and those of confusion of faith. Alright, so I want to do it. This is just a quick lesson. I'm in transit right now, and you know, the brothers from Lions Den in Jacksonville, Florida, you know, been putting up a few videos on the Petro Yuan. All right, and so I can't get any articles or proper scriptures right now, so I'm just flowing in the spirit. But that's a major sign and a major, you know, major prophecies coming to pass, man. 2018, the year of prophecy. You know, if the petro, a lot of people don't realize that petrodollar is what is the saving grace right now for America. All right, because once they determine that, you know, that petrodollar is worthless, which they have essentially done, you know, and it needed a replacement because the dollar isn't backed by anything. All right, so that petrodollar is what was reserved for the oil and the gas, you know, different things like that. People were using the dollar as the main currency to ship and deal with those type of, you know, minerals and goods, if you will. You know, so basically, I'm missing my stop now. But you know, basically, that petrodollar is about to be done away with, because as of March 26th, 2018, yesterday, they've deemed that petrodollar, I mean the Petro Yuan, is now in full effect, man. And so if that's going to be, people are going to soon begin to trade out the petrodollar for the Petro Yuan, you know. And so if that's the case, that means that dollar is about to collapse soon, man. You know, you see the stock market, of course they control that shit anyway, but the stock market is fluctuating up and down. And now with this, you know, they got the cryptocurrencies going on, you know, with these different bankruptcies happening. If that once that petrodollar is done away with and people are predominantly consuming using that Petro Yuan, man, that dollar is already trillions of dollars in debt, trillions of funds in debt, man, and it's not backed by anything. It's like we always say, it's fiat money, man. It's fake. It's not real value. It doesn't have any real value. You know, it's not backed by the gold standard. You know, I think that happened up under the Nixon administration. All right. So basically, when that dollar, that petrodollars began to get replaced on a major scale, and these other companies, these other countries are deciding not to use it and to use the Petro Yuan, so it'll be backed by something. You know, that dollar is going to become collapsed. It's going to collapse, man. And you know, they're going to start instituting that mark of the beast, man. I've spoken in Revelation 13. You know, and the book of Zephaniah 1:18 says, neither their silver nor their gold shall be able to save them in the day of the Lord. You know, so they're not going to be the so-called white man, the Edomites, according to the Holy Bible. You know, their blessing was the sword and the fatness of the earth. All right. So if they have the fat, as spoken in Genesis, so if they have the fatness of the earth, man, you know, and they think that they run everything, they think they control everything, and they have that power for now, but that's going to be stripped from them under the power of Yahweh Ba'asham Yahweh Shai. All right, and so they think that everything can be purchased. They think that everything can be bought. You know, I even know for a fact when I'm up on when I'm on the highways and the hedges, I get people that come up there and ask random stuff like, "Oh, can we give you some money? Can we buy you something? Can we take you on a? Can we take you and take you out to lunch? Can we buy you to take a picture?" You know, all this kind of stuff. And they think everything is amusing and entertaining. And as long as they throw their money into a pot, that, you know, Jake would just dance for him, man. You know, but the nation of Israel is being risen back up, man. Okay? And once the nation of Israel being risen back up, they're going to realize who's the true power, man. You know, under Yahweh Ba'asham Yahweh Shai. And so that silver and that gold is not going to be able to save them in the day of affliction, man. You know, the day of the Lord, man. Because that's all nonsense. It's filthy lucre. It's not going to be able to profit them, man. You know, what does a man gain when he what does a man profit when he gain the world and lose his soul? You know, and that's essentially what they do, man. They give up their souls, and even 2/3 of Jake, man, give up their souls for that money, man. You know, everybody want to flash money. Everybody want to be on hip-hop videos talking about getting the most money. We know money is a defense, but money's not going to be able to save you in the day of the Lord, man. Okay? So that Petro Yuan is a major sign, man. All right? So we just got to keep looking and keep watching. And the Lord has got things happening, man. You know, through Apostle Tahar, Yahweh Hashem Yahushai, deemed this year the year of prophecy, man. And that's exactly what's happening. You know, and Lord willing, we up out of this place soon, and he implement these things even sooner, man. Destroy that damn dollar, implement the mark of the beast, and Lord willing, he'll save us up out of that thing, man. You know, so I just wanted to touch in on that real quick, man. But you brothers, stay strong, you stay enduring. Much love to those few sisters listening in humility. All praises unto Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahweh Shai, Waharakak, Wadash. All right, double honors to the elders and apostles of Great Millstone. Peace, blessing, and mercy to the brethren out here doing this work, man. Keep pushing, keep enduring, y'all. We almost the hell up out of here. Shalom to the elect.